I know you're watching this video because you're looking for a new place. I don't know what happened to where you used to go, or maybe you're just tired of the dealership and now you're looking around, who do I trust? Who will fix it right the first time? Who won't rip me off? I just want to say, here at Centric Auto Repair, we have a process where you're always involved. We'll find out what the issue is. I'll text you pictures, I'll text you videos, I'll text you what the cost of the repair will be. You'll simply say yes or no. I will never do repair that's not authorized by you. Here we have fair pricing and great warranties on all our repairs. We'll give you an options for a dealership part. We'll give you options for an aftermarket part. We'll give you an option for a remanufactured part. With this, we give 3 tiers of warranty. The premium, you'll get a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. And all these warranties are nationwide. You have our alternator on, maybe you're in Texas visiting family and our part failed, you're covered. We work for you. You're the boss. You say what goes. The decision is always yours. Whether it's simple maintenance or major repairs, we will help you navigate through the process. To start this relationship right, let me offer you a free 24-hour car rental. Welcome to Centric Auto Repair. We do everything from simple oil change to major repairs, but we specialize in you, customer service.